Hey everyone, my name is Phoebe. I use she, they pronouns. Professionally, right now, I am a program manager for a youth development program. So I work specifically with justice involved youth ages 16 to 24 on connecting them to education. So, like if they are interested in going to college or getting their GED, if if they dropped out of high school, connecting them to those services and offering job trainings in like welding, manufacturing, like trade jobs, and doing internships, just anything that you can imagine in the workforce and education field, connecting justice involved youth to those things while also managing barriers and helping them navigate things like housing, food crisis, those kind of things. Um, I really enjoyed research methods last semester. It really made me appreciate a little more the importance that research plays, even if, academia is not what you want to go into, and how you can use it to your benefit, especially like, in a program for clients that you serve, using it to advocate for more funding for that program or to kind of get a feel for what works and what doesn't work. So I really, really enjoyed that last semester. In this class, I am looking forward to getting to know the policy side a little better. Since moving into this role, I've really started to see a lot more policy in the work that I do, and see how deeply it does affect the clients that we serve and how it's important to have a knowledge of what's going on as far as policy goes so that you can take steps to change it. So I am really excited for this class and excited to learn, and excited to hear more and meet you all. Thanks.